Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix a Windows installer error, which is the system administrator has set policies to prevent this installation in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to proceed to your button search bar, where here you need to tap for Registered Edit. The moment you have typed it, a registry editor system will appear, and you need to go and run as administrator. User account control will ask you to say yes. Proceed with yes so that you'd be able to open this window called registry editor. Okay. So here you need to follow a registry path, which is this. You just have to post this video so that you can take a note of it. You can also take a screenshot once you have posted. In my case, I'll be pasting it here at the address bar and click on enter. And it is being denied since I wasn't able to copy the letter H key. So let me just copy again. Sorry for that. Okay. Click enter. The moment you have the click on it, you'd be redirected to the file folder, which what we are looking for, Windows. Okay. So here, if in case you have an existing installer folder here, you just have to delete such. How you can delete it? Let's say for example, this is the installer folder. You need to do a right click and go with delete. Once you have deleted it, we need to create a new one. Okay. So simply do a right click, go with new and choose key and name this into installer. Okay, click on enter. And once you have selected such, you need to proceed to the center of the screen where here you need to create a new DWORD 32-bit value. How we can do that again? You just have to do a right click, go with new, go with DWORD 32-bit value and rename the such into DisableMSI. Again, renamed it into DisableMSI. So do a right click, go with rename and paste the name that we have just copied, which says DisableMSI. And you need to make sure that the value data is 0. Now double tap and this window will appear and set the value data into 0. Click on OK. Once done, close this window and this is the time that you need to restart your computer. Now, there is a need to restart your computer in order to make any changes and application on the actions or steps that we have just performed in this video. Okay? So the moment you have opened your computer again, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So try to install again the certain and I mean specific application or program that you want to install here in your Windows or computer. I'm sure it will be installed this time. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.